Here I have HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the HTC settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Let's tap apps icon right here, find and select the settings icon. Then you have to scroll down and let's find backup and reset. It's located right here under personal tab, so let's choose backup and reset, select factory data reset, read the information about the whole process and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to erase all data on this phone, including your photos, music and media files, and if you would like to reset all customized settings, let's just simply tap OK right here. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation, the phone is erasing all personal stuff. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you can simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.